Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to scan your documents on your iPad of 10th generation. So first of all, you have to go into your notes. Now let's create a new note by pressing this icon at the top right corner. Now let's name our document. For example, let's name it scan. Tap done. Now to scan your items, you need to press this camera icon and choose Scan Documents. The camera will open automatically and it will show you instructions how to place your document. If you need to take multiple pages, just repeat the process for each page. Make sure that all the pages are well centered and do not move it while scanning. Now press Save and you can see your scans into your notepads. Now, in order to share them, just tap the share icon. This is the icon with the square and upward arrow. Tapping on it, and here you can see the variants where you can send this exact file. It can be your email, OneDrive, whatever you're using. You can also use the markup button to add notes before sending. Here it is. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.